Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. H. Today, we will be learning how to solve linear inequalities with one variable. First, we have to have a look at the different inequality symbols that we will be using. So the first group, we're looking at this symbol, which is greater than, this one less than. We also have this second group right here. So the first one on top is greater than or equal to, and this one means less than or equal to. Later on, when we answer examples, we will be looking at different cases and important rules for inequality. Let's take a look at example 1. Solve the given inequality 4k minus 23 greater than or equal to negative 3k plus 12. So first, the variable that's present in the inequality is k. So let me tell you that the variable can vary. So any letters in the alphabet can be used as variable. Now, for this given inequality, in order for us to start solving, so we need to gather all the terms with variable k on one side and separate the constant terms. So to begin with, I copy 4k on the left-hand side. However, the negative 3k, which is on the right-hand side, needs to jump over to the left. And from negative, it will become positive. So it will be plus 3k. So jumping over to the inequality symbol will make the sign change to opposite. Or specifically, the property here that's applied is addition property of inequality. So we added 3k on both sides. After that, we just simply copy the inequality symbol greater than or equal to and proceed with gathering all the constant terms on the right-hand side. So we notice that positive 12 is already on the right, so we just copy that. However, there's negative 23 on the left that needs to jump over to the right-hand side. So by applying the positive or the addition property of inequality, the negative 23, after jumping over, it will become positive 23. So once all the terms have been arranged, you can simply carry on simplifying. So the left-hand side, we can put them together. So 4k and 3k needs to be added. So we're gonna get 7k. Copy the symbol, greater than or equal to, then 12 plus 23 is 35. And from here, we can see that by applying the division property of inequality, we can divide both sides by 7, positive. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. You just simply cancel that. And you have k is greater than or equal to 35 divided by 7 is 5. The answer that we got is k is greater than or equal to 5. Now, how are you going to interpret this value? So it tells us that the solutions or the values that will satisfy our inequality actually are the numbers starting from 5. So if you're going to interpret this answer that we got, it says k greater than or equal to 5. So we're looking at solutions or values that start from 5. Can also be 5.01, 5.02, if you are allowed to use the decimal numbers. we can also, or if integer values only, so you can see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on and so forth. So these numbers right here are the numbers. When you plug in to the original inequality given, it will give you a true statement. So in short, they will satisfy the given inequality. For our next example, find the solution of the inequality. Negative 6x minus 17 is greater than 25 plus 8x. So to solve this, we apply the same process that we applied in example 1. So we gather all the terms with x on one side and separate the constant terms. So negative 6x, we just copy it. 8x positive will jump over to the left. That will become negative 8x. Greater than, copy 25. However, 17 jumps over to the right. So from negative 17, it will become positive 17. So applying the addition property of inequality. And after arranging, we simplify. So negative 6x minus 8x gives us negative 14x. Greater than, 25 plus 17 is 42. Positive. Now, this example will show us one of the important rules in inequality. As you can see here, on the left-hand side, the coefficient here is negative. So, when we divide or multiply by a negative coefficient, the inequality symbol needs to flip to the opposite. So since we divided both sides by negative 14, which is a negative value, the symbol has to flip. So now it will be x is less than. What is 42 divided by negative 14? Is negative 3. So this is the solution that we got. So remember that rule. Whenever we multiply or divide a negative coefficient, the symbol has to flip. So how do we interpret this answer? So x is less than negative 3. Now, what are the values that fall under the solution? So we're looking at negative 4. So negative 3 is not included. So integer values that are less than negative 3, we're looking at negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, so on and so forth, up to the negative infinity. So these numbers right here will actually satisfy the inequality given. And for your challenge, please grab your pen and paper and answer this question. Solve the given inequality. Have your answer? Please remember to share your insights by leaving a comment below. And please remember to like this video and follow my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.